Whether you're out exploring what this beautiful country has to offer, getting to a remote worksite, or you live somewhere consistent road surfaces are almost mythical, a tyre deflator is a tool every four-wheel driver should have on hand. Letting your tyres down for driving on a sandy beach, rough mountainous gravel tracks or corrugated roads when you're in the Outback is crucial for ensuring you have the correct amount of tyre to surface contact. It won't just do to jam something in the air nozzle and hope for the best though. You need to ensure that your tyre pressures are consistent across all four wheels and in a safe range. The Ridge Ryder Tyre Deflator lets you do the job quickly, effortlessly and most of all, safely. An easy-to-read gauge with 1 psi increments and a simple, reliable valve pusher and sliding collar allow for controlled, accurate deflation. And with a corrosion-resistant metal body, a protective rubber guard over the gauge and a protective storage pouch, the deflator is rugged and durable. It works by simply screwing onto your tyre's valve. Pushing the valve remover towards the valve will give your tyre's PSI reading, and to deflate them, you simply slide the collar away from the valve stem and watch the gauge as the PSI reading drops. Once the desired PSI level has been reached, slide the collar back towards the valve stem and push the valve remover back in and tighten to finish. So, if you want to take your vehicle off the beaten path, then grab a Ridge Ryder Tyre Deflator and make sure you set your tyres pressure safely and responsibly.